Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey everyone, it's time for some practical Hakka here on ICRT FM 100.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice Peng.
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是Lim Zap-Siu, Joseph Lin. And in the past we've taught people about clothing. 以前我们有教过跟这个衣服有关啊，也要试穿衣服啦，买衣服等等。我们今天再教一个也是这个有点类似，但是比较仔细的是往脚底下走。
OK，
你一定会眼睛就是冰亮起来。
鞋子啦。
对。I don't know what it is, but women love shoes. So let's teach people terms associated with shoes, all right? 那就来买鞋吧。Buying a pair of shoes.
买海。
买海，要把海给买下来。
那海陆腔更好记哦。卖嗨。
卖嗨哦，我不嗨啊，一点都不嗨啊，要嗨一点吗？
不是啊，
卖嗨。
对，下次你说卖嗨就是海陆腔的买鞋咯。
不错，这好容易记哦，卖嗨。That means buying a pair of shoes, all right? 我想买新鞋 I want to buy a new pair of shoes.
我想买新鞋。
我想买新鞋。All right, again, that's buying a new pair of shoes. Now, when you go to the store, you might want to try them on first. You want to fit it first, right? 跟衣服一样，鞋子也要先试穿。怎么说？
吃走。
吃走 Okay, 吃走 that means trying it on, fitting it on. 我想试穿这双鞋 I want to try on this pair of shoes.
我想吃走呀松鞋。
我想吃走呀松鞋 Okay, that means I want to try these pair of shoes on. Now, there's one particular type of shoes that women go crazy for. 我们还是回到女人最喜欢的鞋之一，
高跟鞋。
当然就是高跟鞋了。High heels. How do you say that? For all the ladies out there, 客家话就是
狗掌鞋。
狗掌鞋 That's 高跟鞋 High heels. 女生呢都喜欢高跟鞋 Girls all love those high heels.
什麼嘢都好做狗掌鞋。
什麼嘢都好做狗掌鞋That means girls all love high heels. And that is a true fact. Now let's go ahead and review these terms again. 买鞋 going to buy a pair of shoes.
买鞋。
买鞋 OK 不要嗨哦。再来试穿 gonna fit them on, try them on.
吃走。
吃走 And the high heels 高跟鞋。
狗掌鞋。
狗掌鞋 And there you go. All these terms associated with shoes and varieties of shoes. And that does it for today's Practical Hakka.
什麼太嘎？
俺只say 張來了。
客家風情由行政院客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.